Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 1. Huc septem Aeneas collectis navibus omni ex numero subit, ac magno telluris amore egressi optata potiuntur, troves harena et sale tabentes artus in littora ponunt. Aeneas, with 7 ships having been collected from the entire number, comes upon this place, and, with great love of the land, the Trojans, having gone out, obtain the desired sand, and they place their limbs dripping with salt on the shore. This passage is just describing Aeneas coming up to the shore of Carthage, as well as the Trojans, Aeneas' followers. So up here we have an ablative absolute, septem collectis navibus, with the 7 ships having been collected. Remember, numbers do not decline, which is why septem is not agreeing with navibus. It just always stays septem. Or at least most numbers do not decline. Anyways, so only 7 remain from the entire number. The other ships have been destroyed. And with great love of the land, the Trojans, having gone out, there's an implied from the ships. Having gone out from the ships, they obtain the desired sand. Sand is kind of like metonymy for shores here. They reach the land. And now this potiuntur, obviously I have a grammar note here, is potior, potiri, potitus sum. Here's the verb. You'll notice that it is a deponent. Remember, deponents have 3 parts to them, not 4. And deponents have the potior, the or ending in the first principal part. And potior means I obtain. So the Trojans obtain the sand. But you'll notice here, see, this is a long A. So is this a long A? That means this is ablative singular, right? But it's acting as a direct object of potiuntur. That's because potiuntur is A puff V, one of 5 verbs that are special because they take the ablative as the direct object. So puff V includes potior, utor, fruor, fungor, and vescor. Obviously here we have the P, potior. So just remember, whenever you see potior, utor, fruor, fungor, or vescor, the direct object is not going to be accusative, it's not going to be dative, it is going to be ablative. And there are only 5 verbs that do that. Continuing on, and they place their limbs dripping with salt on the shore, in littore. And the limbs dripping with salt, I would say dripping by means of salt, ablative of means.